Hello and a warm welcome to our virtual presentation and announcement of the 2021 Murrumbidgee Primary Healthcare Awards. And although we are in 2022, late last year we made the decision to delay our 2021 awards process and presentation, recognising the significant pressures experienced by our primary healthcare providers in managing the impacts of COVID-19. And more recently, with the outbreak of the Omicron variant, a decision to shift our presentation to a virtual event became necessary. Thank you for your understanding with this change, and a big thank you to all organisations and people who nominated for an award. We received applications from a diverse group of impressive and hardworking individuals and organisations who each in their own unique way are serving their communities with dedication, care and resilience. Although there can be only one winner for each of our 4 categories, we would like to acknowledge all of our nominees and thank them for taking part. Before we get to the official announcements, I would like to acknowledge and pay my respect to the traditional owners of the lands on which MPHN operates and on which we are meeting today. The Wiradjuri, Ngari Ngari, Wemba Wemba, Baraba Baraba and Yorta Yorta peoples. I pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging, and recognise these lands have always been places of traditional healing and medicine, and this plays a role in shaping future health services. I would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal people who may be joining us today. I would now like to hand over and invite Aunty Kathy Withers to welcome us to country.
Hello, my name's Kath Withers and I'm a proud Wiradjuri elder. I'm here to welcome you all to the land of my ancestors, Wiradjuri country. A welcome to country is an ancient, significant tradition, offering a safe travel and a warm welcome when you're treading on the land of others, and also to identify who you are and who we are. I'd firstly like to Ngāti Injimali Wiradjuri Mudjagun Dundu. My respects to elders past and present. Also my respects to the traditional custodians, the Wiradjuri people. I also extend that respect to any Aboriginal people present here today. I call on my spirit ancestors today to walk with us as we share and we learn together as one. My ancestors have walked on this very land that we're standing on here today, and the elders will give us wisdom, and their knowledge will help guide us along our life's journey. So I openly invite you to share and enjoy this place. Respect the values of our country and all that exist on it. Today I ask you to continue caring for the rivers and the wetlands. Ngāti Injimali Guga, my respects to the Goanna, totem of the Wiradjuri. Ngādu Ganabana Ninjialagi Wiradjuri Nurrumbidgee. I welcome you all to Wiradjuri country.
Thank you, Aunty Kath, for your warm welcome. I'll now hand over to Acting Board Chair Renee Pennock for his welcome address. Thanks, Renee.
Our Primary Healthcare Awards recognises the hard work and dedications of healthcare workers in the primary care setting. This year we received over 19 fantastic nominations across 4 award categories, and all were very deserving in their own right. I'd also like to echo Narelle's comments and basically understand that 2021 was a really difficult year with lots of challenges for workers in the community. Despite all of these challenges, it's pleasing to see so many hardworking and dedicated individuals and organisations across the entire region who often go above and beyond the call of duty and are making a positive impact on the wellbeing of their patients, their clients and their communities. Thank you all to all the applicants and for making a nomination, and I applaud you for your efforts and contribution to improving the health and wellbeing of our region. Together, we are working towards creating a region of well people and resilient communities. Thank you.
Thank you, Renee. It is now time to announce the winners of the 2021 Primary Healthcare Awards. I'm pleased to welcome Board Director Christine Howard to present the first award, Promoting Healthy Living.
The Promoting Healthy Living Award recognises projects encouraging people to take ownership of their own health and wellbeing. These projects encourage healthy behaviours in all areas of life, such as school, the workplace, and at home. And the first finalist is Sunflower House. Sunflower House provides support to members on a one-to-one and group basis. The mental health support workers understand the relationship between mental and physical health and that progressive recovery is achievable in a nurturing and supportive environment. Members' engagement in healthy living is evident through regular face-to-face interaction, which builds the nurturing and respectful environment at Sunflower House. The second finalist is the 2021 Youth Mental Health Forum from Headspace in Wagga Wagga. This forum was held at the Wagga Christian College and involved over 120 students and 20 teaching staff from 16 regional high schools. The aim of the forum was to empower young people to address mental health problems being faced by the individual, peers, family, or broader community networks. The forum also aimed to build capacity within the school environment to bring about change regarding mental health and wellbeing. And our third finalist is the Lifestyle Dietary Intervention Program. This program uses motivational interviewing and health promotion to deliver dietary and lifestyle advice using a low carbohydrate approach. The target groups are patients who have experienced struggles with weight management or have shown biochemical evidence of metabolic syndrome, such as pre-diabetes or non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This approach demonstrated great benefit to those newly diagnosed as well as established type 2 diabetics. Congratulations to our finalists, and the winner of the Promoting Healthy Living Award is the 2021 Youth Mental Health Forum. Well done.
I'm honoured to accept this award on behalf of the Committee for the Wagga Youth Mental Health Forum. An aim of the forum is to provide safe and accurate mental health information for young people in our community, to provide information for schools to improve referral pathways, also to take a whole community approach when addressing the mental health and wellbeing issues for our young people. This year's forum seen 123 young people attend from 16 different schools. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank the Murrumbidgee Primary Health Network Board, CEO and staff for making these awards possible. Thank you.
Thank you, and congratulations to all those involved. I would now like to welcome Board Director Kristen Mann to present the Innovation Award.
The Innovation Award recognises activities promoting new or creative ways to improve the health and wellbeing of our community, or improve business outcomes. With the delivery of high-quality, person-centred and connected healthcare, fresh approaches to business productivity and services can be important to achieve improved health outcomes. Innovation requires being open to and testing new ideas. There are no finalists in this category, only a winner. So the winner of the 2021 Award for Innovation is the Gidget Foundation's Alternative Workforce Program. Gidget Foundation Australia is a not-for-profit organisation supporting the emotional well-being of expectant and new parents to ensure that those in need receive timely, appropriate and supportive care. It was identified that there were alternative clinicians in the region who could potentially deliver an appropriate and high-quality clinical perinatal psychological service, but who were currently unable to bill under Medicare's Better Access Initiative. Gidget Foundation proposed and implemented an initiative to expand the criteria to include suitably experienced and qualified mental health clinicians, and are now able to invest less time and resources on recruitment efforts for the Murrumbidgee region.
On behalf of all of us here at Gidget Foundation Australia, I would like to extend a really sincere thank you to Murrumbidgee Primary Health Network for recognising our innovative alternative workforce program. The origin of this program is that we identified a need for service to support expectant and new parents within the Murrumbidgee area. However, we were unable to recruit qualified clinicians who were able to deliver the service through the Medicare funding model, which would traditionally be the case for us. So we approached Murrumbidgee PHN with a rather innovative plan to utilise existing expertise within the area to deliver this really vital service. And we were absolutely delighted to be able to work with the PHN to develop this programme and deliver this programme. And to date, we have been able to support 55 expectant and new parents through the delivery of almost 400 consultations, which is truly remarkable. So once again, thank you very much indeed. We really are truly honoured and delighted to have this innovative programme recognised in this way. Thank you.
Congratulations to the Gidget Foundation. I'm pleased to now welcome Board Director Peter Larson to present the award for the Murrumbidgee Grant of the Year.
The Murrumbidgee Grant of the Year recognises excellence in developing and delivering an activity or event funded by a Murrumbidgee Community Grant, Murrumbidgee Community Youth Grant, or Bushfire Recovery Grant. The first finalist is GidgetHouse Community Gym. Murrumbidgee Community Grant recipient GidgetHouse Community Gym provides community members with a place to connect, gain confidence, and improve their physical and mental well-being. The gym, based in the local fire shed, has become a place where community matters of concern are discussed, information is shared, and support is given. There is now hope after a long period of drought, which had a marked effect on mental health, as members have become a close unit who value the safety and welfare of each other and promote the gym in the wider community. The second finalist is Snowy Valleys Council Connecting Communities Gather Events. The Connecting Communities Gather events were created with the support of a bushfire recovery grant to provide a space for the Adelong, Batlow, Jingellic, Tumbarumba and Tumut communities. The aim was for the communities to gather in a social environment and reconnect after a prolonged period of limited social interaction. It was also an opportunity to embed supporting agencies and organisations in a less formal way and provide a space for all ages and demographics by incorporating kids' entertainment, craft workshops, food trucks, and spaces for people to sit and talk. Congratulations to both our finalists. The winner of the Murrumbidgee Grant of the Year is GidgetHouse Community Gym.
I'd like to thank Murrumbidgee Primary Health Network for the grant. It was exceptional. We used it for mats, for our gym and slam balls. Without that support and the recognition from the network that this sort of creating community around exercise has such a positive contribution to really positive health outcomes for every individual that comes here. Some people have even said that it has changed their life completely and the way they go about doing things from day to day. So it is a really positive thing for such a small community, and we are so grateful for the grant and being the recipient of the award. So thank you very much, and we congratulate you for showing the initiative to contribute at the grassroots level to improve health outcomes for regional and rural New South Wales.
I would now like to welcome Board Director Paul Gianotis to present the award for Outstanding Contribution to Leadership in Primary Healthcare.
The Outstanding Contribution to Leadership in Primary Healthcare recognises a health professional or a practice that has made an outstanding contribution to the leadership in primary healthcare. The recipient of this award demonstrates exemplary leadership, which has made a difference to primary healthcare in the Murrumbidgee region. Our first finalist in this category is Brodie Palmer. Exercise physiologist Brodie Palmer, whose favourite motto is "Motion is Lotion," has advocated and promoted the importance of regular physical exercise and better healthcare for people living with chronic conditions. Brodie holds twice weekly active ageing classes for people aged over 65, runs the Beat It program for diabetics, organised by Diabetes New South Wales. Brodie also holds weekly tailored exercise classes for clients, encourages and supports veterans to participate in weekly exercise classes, and is a volunteer trainer for active farmers. Brodie has also made an impact with younger members of the community, encouraging some to study exercise physiology or similar allied health professionals themselves. The second finalist is Kylie Perry. Kylie Perry established and led the Murrumbidgee Pain Hub to improve the management of patients with persistent pain using a collaborative, multidisciplinary model. focus on improving evidence-based education skills and sharing resources. Between July 2020 and June 2021, Kylie and the Murrumbidgee Pain Hub delivered 9 collaborative professional development sessions, ensuring access to contemporary, evidence-based, best practice research and resources to local clinicians. Kylie demonstrated a commitment to the Murrumbidgee region by working with her colleagues across disciplines to create a nurturing learning environment for the health professionals who are dedicated to supporting patients with the persistent pain to understand and learn how to better manage their pain. Congratulations to the 2 incredible finalists. The winner of the Outstanding Contribution to Leadership in Primary Healthcare is Kylie Perry. Congratulations, Kylie.
So I'd like to thank Murrumbidgee Primary Health Network for this award in recognition of my work with the Murrumbidgee Pain Hub. It was a lovely surprise to be nominated by my colleague Ellen McMaster, and I thank her very much for the nomination, and this is really the icing on the cake. I feel very proud and grateful to receive this award for that work. So I'd definitely like to thank my Pain Revolution and Murrumbidgee local pain educator colleagues, Dr. Jennifer Smith and Dr. Jonathan Ho, who completed their training for the local pain educator program at the same time as me. And we worked together as a great team in establishing the Murrumbidgee Pain Hub in 2019. I'd also like to thank Sophie Shepherd, who completed her training as a local pain educator last year and really has been an active part of the Murrumbidgee Pain Hub since day dot. I'd also like to thank Abby Norrish, who's the collectives coordinator at the Pain Revolution, and also the broader Pain Revolution network. And this astounding collection of clinicians, researchers, scientists, and people with lived experiences continues to inspire me to learn, share, and collaborate to make change for the people living with pain in my community. Thank you to the other supporters of the Murrumbidgee Pain Hub over the past few years, including the Murrumbidgee Primary Health Network, who've co-sponsored and supported our annual welcome and promotion events in 2019, 2020 and 2021, and to Marano's Hotel, who gave us a perfect space to meet face-to-face pre-COVID. Thank you to my children and my mum for their patience and support, and I credit my children with the naming of the Murrumbidgee Pain Hub. They used to say, "Oh, Mum's off to Pain Club again," and we tweaked it slightly, but the Pain Hub has stuck. Last, but certainly not least, I would like to thank most especially each and every member of the Murrumbidgee Pain Hub. Thank you for giving up your time to attend, contribute, collaborate and support the Murrumbidgee Pain Hub. It has been such a privilege to build this network of local clinicians, and I've gained so much from being a part of it myself. I really look forward to seeing what we can achieve in our community in the future with our shared passion, contemporary understanding of pain, common language and expanding network of interdisciplinary clinicians. Thank you.
Congratulations, Kylie. This now concludes our virtual presentation of the 2021 Murrumbidgee Primary Healthcare Awards. Thank you again to all our applicants, finalists and winners, and to everyone who has joined us today. Again, we would like to acknowledge all of our hardworking primary healthcare workforce for their care and dedication to improving the health of our communities.